As a welder, there is no greater pleasure. Not done yet, guys. Don't judge it until it's done. By the time I finish this up, it's gonna be sexy. Tidy up the edges, do a couple of stringers on each side, some reinforcement plates. But that's my fill run at least. Are you guys all ready for this? Let's change hands. Sorry, get steady. See if we can start from the top. If I can reach it. Not quite. Yummo. Get the wire brush. That's my first stringer. I'll lay another one in the top side and then we'll see how that one goes. Couple of edges to clean up. But all in all, it's relatively straight. Are you all ready for this? Get the wire brush, see what she looks like.